At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? To better understand the chart situation, we draw the current trend line. We draw the support and resistance zones by connecting the price highs and lows. We wait for the trend line and support zone to break. Here the trend line is broken. We wait for either the support and resistance zone to break or the price to continue its trend. Here the support and resistance zone is broken and the price has pulled back to the resistance line. We open a short trade. We place the stop above the last price high. We also set the risk-to-reward ratio to 1 to 2. Congratulations, you can see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. The secret to success in trading financial markets is look carefully, don't rush, and trade with a few simple lines. Trade with me.